tutorial I will show you how to set simulation time and step size for a Simulink model from command window. Okay, for this video you must have to see my previous video. In this video I have shown how you run a Simulink model from command window. Okay, this was the previous script. For today's script or for today tutorial, just we need two line. Okay, here add in equal Simulink dot simulation input, and this was our MDL. Okay, and then sim in equal set model parameter so okay, there is the modification here. You have to add this two line here for my model. Untitled 1, stop time I have set 1, and max step 1 e minus 2. When I run this model, you can see here the shape is not so well because max step is higher. Where I have to set max step, when I set max step 1 e minus 4, when I run this model, you can see the graph is smooth. Okay, same graph. And when I set stop time as 0.5, okay, now you can see the frequency. When I set as 2 and on this model, you can see the frequency. So this is how you can set simulation type and fixed step for a Simulink model from command window. One last warning: you must have watched my previous video for fully understand this video. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching.